are you saying to me now?
You've just reversed over the rubber.
I thought it was as tough as old boots.
Well, yeah, it'll be fine, but you'll need cleaning, and I'm not doing it because you reversed over it.
Yeah, well, you got to install it first. What are you doing today anyway?
What is ClassicBond today?
What is ClassicBond today? Okay, come on, let's go.
Seen as one of the longest lasting, easiest to install roofing systems, this is where it all started over 50 years ago. Easy and quick, installed in one piece, 50-year life expectancy, and there's no special tools or flames. And it also comes with BBA and Fire certification. So this roof took 90 minutes for me to install on my own. For those of you that want a little bit more detail, let's take a closer look. So despite being only 1.2 millimeters thick and only one layer is required, it's incredibly tough, incredibly hard to tear as well. So will this rubber always be this tough? Well, unlike more traditional systems like felt, it won't become brittle over time, it's completely UV stable. So ClassicBond is normally used in applications like extensions, loft conversion dormers, garages and garden rooms like this. It can be more challenging when you've got roofs with large skylights in it, orangeries and things like that, or roofs with multiple skylights, loads of protrusions and details as well. In these situations, you'll probably be thinking about splitting the membranes down into pieces, more manageable sizes. Then the seam tapes can be supplied and you can just join them with them. So it's designed to be laid onto new timber decks with water-based adhesive. If you are going to be going onto roofs over 100 square metres or directly onto tissue-faced insulation, then contact adhesive will be used over the whole roof surface. If quick, easy and long-lasting is for you, we have loads of other videos that dive deeper into this roofing system. Like and subscribe or leave a comment below.